This next exercise is my personal favorite. Start by drawing a random shape. It can be any shape you want. The more confusing and squiggly, the better. After you have drawn the shape, draw a line inside the shape while making sure not to draw outside the lines. You can draw a vertical or a horizontal or an angled line. Add more lines inside the shape. Keep them parallel to each other as well as keeping equal spacing. Try this exercise with different pens and brushes. Remember to mix it up. If you want an extra challenge, try to draw concentric circles or ellipses inside your shape. While making sure to stay within the lines.